The Logitech Harmony 880 Advanced Universal Remote Control is designed for people who want a simpler way to manage multiple home entertainment devices from a single remote. Instead of relying on several separate remotes, the Harmony 880 focuses on bringing control together in one dedicated device, making it a practical option for entertainment setups where switching between remotes has become inconvenient. Its biggest appeal is the universal control concept. Rather than treating each device as something that needs its own remote, the Harmony 880 is intended to provide a centralized control experience. That can make everyday operation feel more organized, particularly for users with several components in their entertainment system. The advanced positioning of this model also suggests that it is aimed at users who need more than the basic functions offered by a standard universal remote. There is also a practical advantage in having a dedicated remote for entertainment equipment. It reduces the clutter that can come from keeping multiple controllers within reach. For households where several devices need to be operated regularly, having one primary remote can make the setup easier to manage. At the same time, the Harmony 880 should be viewed according to the information available, rather than assumed to include features that have not been specified. Details such as supported devices, connectivity methods, battery performance, programming process, display capabilities, and compatibility are not provided here, so those areas should be confirmed before purchase if they are important to the intended setup. Overall, the Logitech Harmony 880 Advanced Universal Remote Control is best suited to buyers specifically looking for an advanced universal remote rather than another basic controller. Its main value comes from the idea of consolidating entertainment device control into one remote, while buyers should verify compatibility and the specific capabilities needed for their equipment before making a decision.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.